All of the other centralized exchanges also hold a very large portion of the total Terra Luna Classic supply. We have a minimal number of the Terra Luna Classic coins that are acting like held and traded on Terra Station. We need to pump that number up. It is a good idea to get it involved stake on the Terra Station by choosing your favorite validator. Along with its companion stablecoin TERRA LSD, the Terra blockchain's flagship coin was declared defunct. However, it was never truly dead. It just joined the peculiar group of tokens whose dollar value is located several places past the decimal point adjacent to $0. With a new version of Luna, the Terra community is attempting to move forward. Luna Classic has replaced Old Luna, LUNC. Comparing the Titanic to a classic cruise liner is absurd. Consider previous crazes over Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, which, according to CoinGecko,